This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I just had the opportunity to do what I'm about to do on a wet canvas. And now I'm fortunate enough to have a dry pre-primed canvas in a 16 by 16 by 2 inch gallery wrap size. Excuse me. I've got a heavy duty bamboo skewer that I didn't use the last time, or a chopstick, or the handle that I took the toothy tool, the spatula head that I made a toothy tool out of. I used a lot of dipping, the tongue depressor, and I had this much longer tool that's the leftover from another spatula. And I'm going to put those aside, and I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add some French silk to this because I love the way the French silk looks when I put it on half of the canvas. And add a little bit more of everything. What else can I add? Here's some of the Chantilly lace. I waited to add my black until after I was done with the colors, and I think that worked out pretty well for me. Here's more of the Baltic amber I used. There's some orange crush in there that I didn't put in till the very end, but it's there now. So this is Golden Poppy. This is a gorgeous color. A little bit of Midnight Shadow. Some dark waters. Another little bit of Chantilly lace with Neptune's Gaze and Frozen in it. Don't forget to check out the 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colour Arte. These are Prizm pours. They're absolutely fantastic. I love them. Let me put that down. Get my camera's remote out of the way and just start. I'm really inclined. Let's take the side that seems to be a little more schmutzy. And make sure that I can get my Chantilly lace out. Okay. Now when I put my paint down, I had a dry black canvas that had no base coat on it until I added one, and I left a little bit of that exposed in the middle, which is not the case here. So I'm very interested to see how this works. But I did love the effect of using the spatula to drag it down. I'm kind of hoping that it's going to be similar. Might be even cooler. I like the patterns left behind by the spatula. The drag marks are very cool for me. I don't know, this is a horse of a different color because the last one of these had wet paint on both sides, and there is no wet paint. Don't waste any of that. And throw that in the bucket. Okay, so wow, here goes nothing. I'm going to take the big one. And I'm going to go on the black side first. Pull that across. I'm looking forward to seeing what the tongue depressor will do also. time to try it. Might try the skewer too. I'm not sure I would have done this if I hadn't had leftover paint. I like the multi-strands, the skinny little strands. Don't need to use the whole thing. Just went through this. Looks like antennas in a city rising out of a cloud bank. Somebody will come up with a better suggestion than that, I'm sure. I don't even know how far I need to go with this, because really I like it. Oh, I just folded my... I use Glad cling wrap to line my tray. But this one has a bit of a rip in it. I'm quiet because I'm focused and because I'm having fun. And I know I should be talking to you guys. I should tell you stuff. Like I have an Amazon link with 2 books on it. They're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I like it when there's that round, that little bit of bulb at the top. It's pretty cool. I still want to put some black in though. I'm not sure I need to go into the black as much as I did the last time. I had a different shaped canvas too. It was a 10 by 20, not a 16 by 16. You could definitely do this with flower, with grassy stuff. I might have to do some kind of garden. I like this background effect too. That's definitely going to come back into play, I can assure you. Now, what did I do the last time? I put a little bit more orange in. I put black in too. Let's do orange in the top. Let's try and put orange in the top. Just squeeze it right down in the line. Yeah, just a little zhuzh. I'm going to want to do this with pinks too. Just not right now, I don't think. Although I could. I could just change it up completely by putting pink in there, I believe. Let's do it. Pink carnation or pink diamond. I think the pink diamond's coming in. It'll be close to the orange. Whoa. It'll be close to, it was almost in the painting. It'll be close to the orange anyway. Yes, I like it. Now if you do a short one, that's one thing. You can also do longer ones. I'm loving the pink. Gonna need to put some more in, I think. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm liking this a lot. Makes me want to put all the other colors in there, like blue velvet would be really nice also. This one's going to be nice because I don't have to add anything much. To seal it if I don't want to. I lost my pink on that one. I didn't do a lot of sideways stuff, and I'm kind of contemplating doing that. If I drop my chapstick in there, I can give it a try. Oh yeah, check that out. Nice chapstick too. Plus, because it's skinnier on one end, I can actually hold on to it. It's not the easiest thing in the world. I definitely think the others are easier. But I'm loving the pink. It occurs to me I could just treat it like a toothbrush. Somewhat cautiously, right? That blue is so calling me, I can't tell you. I think you have to do it to find the blue velvet. It could be cerulean blue too, but I think the blue velvet's the way to go. I'll try it first, just to make sure. I think I better wipe down my handle so I don't drop it into the painting. Yes, I'm shaking because I'm nervous. Oh, that's it. Very cool. Might even be able to steal a little paint. See if there's anything left on there. I think I might have to call this good because I don't really want to go that much further. I really like it the way it is. I'll show it to you the way I went, that I like it. Although, could definitely take the skewer and drag it through a few places if I wanted to. I don't think it really needs it though. I do want to take a little more paint, put it right along that edge. I just want to keep playing is what I really wanted to tell you. I'm not sure when enough is too much. I kind of like the gap in the middle, but now that I've said that, now me, I'm a fixer. There we go. I like it a lot, a lot, a lot. And I could do the same thing and dot it a lot too. I don't think it needs a ton. I don't actually think it needs any. I'm going to bring my phone down. I know that that Chantilly lace and that French silk in the background is going to be gorgeous. Can you see the sparkle now? I'll turn this other light out. That might help. So please give me a thumbs up. And she's sweet. Yeah. Wish I could get a lot closer. If I'd put my rack up on the table, I could probably raise the painting up, get it much closer. I like the blue velvet in there. I like all of that. The French silk has an iridescent gold color shift that's just gorgeous. I don't know if you can see all of that. I wish you could see some of it. It's going to be tremendous dry. All right, so thank you for the wonderful comments and kind words. Thank you for the morale boosting comments. I really appreciate them. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you are somebody who donates through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You should know that there is an opportunity for a 15-minute consultation in the month that you make a donation. Or the next month, I guess, we can talk about it. You'll get a receipt from me if you make a donation, and then my phone number will be included there, and you'll be able to give me a call if you want to schedule an appointment or not. That's so cool. I gotta turn it back the other way. I think it would work. Yes, it works sideways too. It really does. Or at least I think so. Alright, you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look on my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address is below the link tree. Underneath Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipes. My email address is easpb, like Priscilla Batzell, easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. My Amazon link is on the link tree. I have 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. The first and the second 100 videos and all of the information that you would want to try and reproduce those paintings. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Yeah, I just said that. I guess it's late. It's after happy hour. That's the issue. My paint pouring recipe, I may have said, is under the video. Look on the link tree for The Gallerist, Society 6, and all the other good stuff that's there. If you ever want to have a design added to one of my places that makes things, please just ask me. We can talk about it. You can ask me questions and comments. It'll be before happy hour. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm forgetting anything and everything. I'm so distracted. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I post at noon most days Eastern Standard Time. I have a new channel, Fluid Art Obsession, Scylla B. Please come and subscribe. I will be torching for a moment to get rid of any excess bubbles and looking for them with my glasses on. Well, I have them on with a sharp skewer. Anyway, I'm tongue-tied right now, so please forgive me, and I will see you guys on. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Whew. Yeah, about time.